Hello everyone, it's Ahmed Misbah from Tech Cafe. Today I want to talk about TDD, refactoring, and judgment calls. I was in this interesting discussion with a friend, and this question came up. When I'm refactoring, do I need to work in TDD mode? Uh, the simple answer to this question is yes. Why is that? Why do you need to practice TDD when refactoring legacy code? The answer is simple. It's because in some writings, and I'm specifically referring to Michael Feather's Working Effectively with Legacy Code, no matter how good your code is, if it is without tests, it is still legacy code. So no matter how much refactoring you do to the code, you are still turning it from legacy code to another legacy code if you are not working in TDD. So yes, you need to practice TDD when you are refactoring legacy code. And refactoring is one of the main phases of test-driven development. If you're working in red-green refactor, the refactoring is there. So is this always the case? The answer is no. In some cases, the legacy code is so bad that you can't test it. So first you have to do a little bit of tidying or a little bit of refactoring to make the code testable, and then you start working in TDD mode with that code. So yes, in some cases, you can't write tests for the code straight away. You have to do some refactoring upfront, not so big, but uh, as much refactoring as you can to make the code testable, and then you work in TDD mode. Now, in order to be able to determine if you have to do so, you have to make a judgment call. And in order to make the right judgment call, you first have to build the right experience. And the equation for experience is very simple: knowledge plus practice. So you have to earn or acquire enough knowledge in refactoring, in TDD, and in legacy code uh, in order to be able to make that judgment call. And you also have to practice whatever you learn. Uh, the other factor that could help you make a good judgment call is practicing collaborative programming, whether that be pair programming or mock programming. When you have other people thinking with you, sharing their experience with you, and helping you make that judgment call, or collectively making that judgment call, it will make a big difference. So here it is, or this is it. Um, Practice TDD when you're doing refactoring. These two practices are very much interrelated. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of refactoring before using TDD. For that, you have to make a judgment call. And in order to make a good judgment call, be sure to build good experience and practice collaborative programming. Hope you've liked this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure you like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And hope to see you again in a coming video. Thanks a lot.